guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm joined with my boyfriend Tyler. We're gonna be doing some skincare today. So I have this big box right here of Korean skincare actually, which I'm really excited about because I find Korean skincare is so like innovative with their like new technologies and all their really cool ingredients. So I'm really excited to try this out. So this box right here is from Skinstar. And there's a whole bunch of products that we're gonna go through in here, and I just thought I would force Tyler to do this with me and try out some skincare, since I I use a lot of skincare. I would say I've tried a lot of different stuff, whereas
you're just giving me I'm just gonna take a hint here.
Like
just message sent loud and clear.
Yeah, like Tyler doesn't really like know much about skincare, so I thought it'd be interesting to get him to also test a bunch of these out. I've given Tyler my other phone, so he's gonna film the unboxing so I can put it on the screen for you guys. So we'll start over here. This is, if I can get it out. First of all, very nicely packaged. This is just like a skincare box from Skinstar that they sent me just to try out. This is not sponsored or anything. So we have this Pure Heals by Natural Village. Centella 90, and then we have this toner from Pure Heals as well. Let's open this up. So we have all the different products in here and what they're supposed to do and everything, so we're going to refer to that during the video. I'm going to open up this Essen Herb cleansing water with tea tree oil, and I'm going to try to use this to remove most of my makeup. Alright, and this is supposed to be a no wash type cleansing water containing tea tree that is good for skin soothing, and I have super sensitive skin, so that sounds awesome. That's what this looks like. Give it a shake. Put it on a cleansing pad. So let's see, I don't know if this is supposed to be like a makeup remover, but kind of working like one. It says it's a cleansing water, which usually like cleansing waters.
Tea tree cleansing water.
Yeah, or
no wash type cleansing water. Tea tree that is good for skin soothing. Do you feel soothed?
I mean, the smell is very much soothing. Let's see if it gets this liquid lipstick off. Pretty good to take everything off, so I like that, and I like the smell of it, and it didn't actually make my skin.
Oh, it is makeup remover. Okay, I'm sorry, this is new to me.
I know.
That stuff did a hell of a job.
Right? Now we're gonna get into some tea tree foaming cleanser. I think we're gonna probably use this. What are you laughing about?
The fact that I don't know what any of these things do. I'm trying.
He's literally just sitting here.
There's no description of.
Well, okay, read the cleanser while I'm opening it.
Read the cleanser? The cleanser. Yeah. A foam cleanser containing tea tree leaves that cares not only for thick makeup, but also over exfoliating dead skin cells and sebum.
Alright, so I obviously had makeup on, so we'll see how that works. You got some dry skin going on, so we'll see how the exfoliating works on you. So I'm gonna take this camera to my bathroom and we're gonna both try this out.
Like shampoo, but for my nose?
For your whole face.
For my whole face?
Yeah, so open it up. You're gonna give us your first impressions about like texture, smell. You smell tea tree oilish. Okay. Oh, I think it has a seal on it.
So
there's like nothing's in here. It's
like,
empty.
It doesn't smell like nothing. Yeah. God, I hope I didn't break it. I may have broken the lid. And I'll put it everywhere?
Oh yeah, and just don't get in your eyes. Probably because tea tree oil. Can't imagine.
I guess my nose probably needs it more than anything. Oh.
How does your skin feel? Squeaky clean?
Yeah.
I will say my skin feels super like clean. So that's great. Right, we're gonna go in with the toner next. I think these are actually kind of the steps.
Oh. They literally give you steps. That's sick.
So we have the Pure Heals Propolis Softening Toner. Do you want to give the...
The only definition they have here is 125 milliliters.
Wow.
What does this do?
So toner usually like restores like your skin's like pH levels and gets any like, if you have any makeup left over, well like in my case, or like, I don't know, just any, hello? Oh.
They got you with the lid now!
Rub it on. What does it smell like? It smells very like fresh. Would you agree?
It smell kind of lemony.
Yeah, kind of citrusy. See? Mine has excess makeup on. So that means it worked well. What should we try?
Well,
next,
according to this thing, we should use the Pure Heals Scintilla 90
this
Ampoule.
So I'm guessing this is going to be some type of, oh yeah, it is a serum. And we'll see what kind of serum it is once we apply it on. So what you're going to do is just take a dropper and just do like 1 to 2 drops in your hand. And then just apply it to the skin. And kind of tacky too, so I'm guessing it will be good for like moisture. Hopefully. I need that. How does it feel? I feel like you put everything on your nose.
That time I did, yeah.
How does it feel? Kind of tacky? It's absorbing nicely though, so it's good.
I don't know, my face feels like...
Tacky.
Is that how you
like
describe?
Sticky, kind of?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pure Heals Scintilla 80 Eye Cream, 30 milliliters. Eye cream containing 80% of scintilla extract to firmly care for eyes that have lost elasticity.
So are we gonna be lifted today? I think so.
Yeah, I can definitely use that.
So this is a powerful eye cream that officially hydrates, lifts, firms, and plumps up the lines around the eye area. You only need like, probably that much, and just kind of like tap it and smooth it into the eyes. And you don't want to rub inwards, you only want to rub outwards to lift. I like that. Feels nice.
I like that
You like that one? I do like this.
That's probably the favorite so far.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's try this.
BRTC Vita Peeling Gel. Healthy peeling gel that removes dead skin and protects skin cells.
And this has niacinamide and PHA. Let's open this up. Oh, I like the... Okay, so we found how to use online, and it says apply a proper amount to wet skin and gently massage until dead skin cells come off. Rinse with lukewarm water. I'm gonna just be using this like in my T-zone area because that's where I get like dead skin, and I would kind of say the same for you. So back to the bathroom. Go on the nose. Exfoliate. It's pretty gentle though, so I do like that. First time using an exfoliator.
Yeah, I don't know what exfoliator is.
Well, you see how it feels gritty?
Yeah.
So that's gonna remove like the dead skin, right?
Holy crap, does it ever. There goes half my nose.
You're having way too much
fun. My nose just shrunk like 4 sizes. Like, holy crap.
See, and this is the type of products that will help with like blackheads and like just removing that. Like...
Look, like, can you see that? That's like half my nose, man.
I'm gonna title this video, "My Boyfriend Fascinated by Skincare."
My boyfriend did a skincare.
Did a skincare. What did you think of this? The peeling.
Did a heck of a job,
Yeah.
to be honest.
And it was pH 5.5, so a little bit on the acidic side, but that'll kind of help with, you know, getting that dead skin off. What's next?
Now we get to rip stuff off of our face.
Okay, I don't know if there's 2 in here.
Yeah.
So, do you want to use it?
I can use it if you want.
Okay.
Probably do more for me than it will for you.
Okay, so next we're going to use this Blackhead remover. First, after cleansing, apply step 1 and peel off after 15 to 20 minutes. So let's do that first. So here, this. Ooh.
Is there only one in there?
Yeah.
Oh. There's nothing you have to peel off, no?
Yeah, after 15.
Oh. Alright. So leave this for 20 minutes?
15.
This is 20.
15 to 20. We'll be back in like 15 to 20 minutes when this is done shop. It's supposed to like pour open. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes. We're gonna take that off.
Alright, so wet my nose.
Yeah, and the surrounding area. Perfect. I think it's good now.
Yeah.
So, go ahead and remove it slowly. Here is the nose strip for any of you people who like gross, satisfying things. Yeah, there's quite a bit on there. Alright, so now the last step is the Pure Heals by Nature Village Real Centella Leaf Sleeping Mask. What does this say?
A sleeping mask that contains the originals of centella leaves, soothing and moisturizing tired skin during the night.
Okay. So, it's supposed to be a brightening and anti-wrinkle mask.
No wrinkles? No way!
That was kind of nice. Okay, I'm gonna give you some. It kind of like that aloe vera.
That's what it reminded me of, aloe vera.
It's like that kind of consistency. But that'll be good for like moisture and stuff. While we have this mask on, it actually feels pretty nice. We're gonna do a final like rate, like a speed rate of everything. All right, so the tea tree cleanser. What's your rating on it?
8.
8. I'm gonna give it an 8 too. I did really enjoy it. I like the ingredients in it. It felt really nice. The cleansing water I used, it was really nice for removing makeup, so I'm gonna give it like 6. Not my absolute favorite makeup remover, but I did enjoy it.
Savage.
The toner, the Pure Heals toner. What did you think of this?
Oh, I'll give that a 7.
7. I would go with like a 5. I liked it, but it wasn't anything special to me. The Centella Serum.
No, what? My nose felt pretty good after that. I'm giving that like a 9.
Yeah, I would say like an 8. I did enjoy it. It was really nice on the skin. Felt really good. Then we have the peeling gel. This is like the exfoliator.
10.
I actually really like this too. I'm not the biggest physical exfoliator person. I personally prefer chemical exfoliators. So for that reason, I'm going to give it like a 7 just because I wouldn't use it as often. But it was a really good physical exfoliator. So you're keeping that? Cool. Next we had the eye cream. You really liked this, you said.
I liked it. I just, I feel like I'd get a difference after, or when you see a difference, how long?
You look a little more plump under the eyes, I would
plump.
say. I'm gonna give this an 8. I thought it was a pretty good eye cream.
I'll go with I'll go with an 8 too.
An 8?
An 8 sounds good.
Then we had the Blackhead remover. You tried this, so give it your rating.
I'll give it a 6.
6? Felt like you could have done more?
Yeah, it was decent.
Fair enough. And now for the Real Centella Leaf Sleeping Mask. What do you think of this?
It's pretty relaxing.
Yeah, it is pretty relaxing.
9.
It's like, I would give it like an 8. It was like kind of cooling, a little bit tingly, but I do like it. So I think we're gonna end this video here. Thank you so much, Tyler, for joining me in trying this Skinstar skincare box. I did enjoy a lot of these products, and like I said in the beginning, I think Korean skincare is so cool and definitely a lot more like innovative and stuff than some of the other skincare I've tried. So this was a lot of fun. Do you feel like you have more knowledge on skincare now?
I'm just still confused, but like,
Does your
sure.
skin feel better?
Skin feels better. Skin feels a lot better.
Well, that's good to hear. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to see Tyler in more of my videos, let me know down below in the comments, or give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah, guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.